everyone, and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Janurai Satori by Janurai Builders located in Bellandur, East Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, and just behind me they will be coming up with the main entrance. And the land parcel starts from here, so you can even have a look at the construction work which is in progress. And the marketing office which is just over this side. Currently, the marketing office is under progress. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project is spread across 2.32 acre of land parcel consisting of single tower with 2 basement ground plus 23 floor, offering you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Ambalipura Sarjapur Road in Bellandur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this will be the main entrance of our project. Now here exactly in front is the Ambalipura Sarjapur Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards HSR layout, and the opposite side road will take you towards Sarjapura. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and location part. Kasavanahalli Lake is 1.9 kilometers away. Manipal Hospital is 2.4 kilometers away, and Decathlon, which is 3.4 kilometers from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 50 plus world-class amenities like of elevated viewing deck, multi-purpose court, kids play area, grand clubhouse, swimming pool and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and as mentioned, this project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK is starting from 1700 square feet and goes up to 1900 square feet super built-up area. 3.5 BHK is 2066 square feet super built-up area, and 4 BHK is of 3210 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Janurai Satori located in Bellandur, East Bangalore by Janurai Builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.